the FPV drone market could be preparing for another major shakeup. While the DJI Avata 360 has only recently arrived, growing industry chatter suggests DJI is already working on a more traditional successor aimed at cinematic FPV pilots. The rumored DJI Avata 3 could combine better image quality, smarter flight technology, and improved safety systems in one package. Unlike the Avata 360, which focuses heavily on immersive 360-degree content creation, the Avata 3 is expected to target creators who want the classic FPV experience with professional-grade video output. Early reports point toward a significantly larger camera sensor, potentially a 1-inch CMOS unit, which would deliver stronger low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and cleaner footage during sunrise, sunset, and indoor flights. Many enthusiasts are hoping for 4K recording at high frame rates, making the drone attractive for both cinematic projects and action sequences. Flight performance is also rumored to receive a major overhaul. Leaked information suggests DJI is testing a redesigned frame with enhanced aerodynamics and a new propeller configuration intended to increase stability without sacrificing agility. This could make the drone easier to control in challenging conditions while maintaining the responsive handling FPV pilots expect. Connectivity may be another key upgrade. DJI's next-generation transmission technology is expected to offer greater range, lower latency, and a more reliable video feed, addressing occasional signal concerns reported by some FPV users. Battery efficiency is also rumored to improve, potentially pushing flight times beyond what current Avata models can achieve. Competition is becoming much stronger as well. DJI's own recently launched Avata 360 has introduced advanced 8K spherical video capabilities and innovative reframing tools, while rivals such as the Insta360 Anti-Gravity A1 continue pushing the boundaries of immersive aerial content creation. These newer drones are raising expectations for both image quality and flight intelligence. Thanks for watching. With the Avata 360 setting a new benchmark and competitors rapidly evolving, the pressure is on for DJI's next FPV drone. What feature would make you upgrade to the DJI Avata 3? A larger sensor, longer battery life, better obstacle avoidance, or faster flight performance? Share your thoughts in the comments and join the discussion.